Rev it up one time, John. Yeah. Nice bike. Ducati 2016. This thing rocks. Come on down to Team Extreme 346-801-4385 for Paul. This one's a 2016 Ducati Monster 821 Dark. Come on down and get it. It's going for only $77.50. What a deal. That sucker does rock. Come on down 7090 Southwest Freeway. Call 346-801-4385. Check out some of these awesome bikes inside today. Another nice one, BMW. That one's going for about 16 grand. Got the R6. I think that one's only about 7,000. 7,100 to be exact. This one's a little bit newer, 2018 model, going for 10 grand.
You happy now?
S1000 double R, 2018 model, going for almost 14 grand. Come on down and see us. Call 346-801-4385. Ask for Paul. There's another Ducati Diavolo. That one's going for 10 grand. It's a 2015. I drove the same model recently. Thing's got excessive power. Another Ducati Scrambler 1100. This one's going for 12 grand. MV Agusta, Italian made bike. Lots of special features. Read up on it. You'll probably fall in love. That one's going for only 9 grand. Of course, the Hayabusa, all-time favorite, going for 9,500. It's a 2013 model. We got a Honda CBR 500. I think this one's at about 8 grand. Come on down, see us. 346-801-4385. Ask for Paul.